The TR505 was released in 1986 and can be used to sequence short, punchy 12-bit samples. The drum kit includes basic rock drum sounds similar to those of the 707, plus a complement of Latin-style drum sounds. The power button, MIDI in-out connections, tape in-out, start-stop control input, stereo phones, and stereo output are all located on the back of the unit.
We're about to view the inside of the Roland TR505 Rhythm Composer. First, you're going to take the knob off. And I'll just open it up. I just want to blow it out. Here's a demonstration of each sound in the Roland TR505. The kick drum, or they call it the bass drum, snare drum, low tom, mid tom, high tom, rim shot, closed hi-hat, open hi-hat, low conga, high conga, timbale, low cowbell, high cowbell, hand clap, crash cymbal, and ride cymbal.